Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. May the peace, mercy and blessing of Allah be upon you. So in the previous classes that I have started, direct and indirect speech, actual word of the speaker is called direct speech and the summary part of the speaker is called indirect speech. Okay. So now some few words which are changed from direct speech to indirect speech. Here, there, today, that day are given previous, and we have completed tenses also, few tenses. Simple present is going to change as simple past, present continuous, past continuous, present perfect, past perfect, present perfect continuous, past perfect continuous. Now simple past, I given the example in simple past in the previous class. Past perfect, if the direct speech contain a simple past, how can we change in direct speech? Past perfect. Now let us continue the remaining part of the tenses, changes in tenses. Before that, let me tell you one more thing. Okay, now suppose if the direct speech contain a proverb or a universal fact, so a reporting speech is not going to change. Suppose if the direct speech contain a universal fact, earth revolves around the sun rises in the east. Okay, all these are universal fact. Suppose this type of universal fact, if it contain in direct speech, so in indirect speech, the reporting speech is not going to change. So let me give one example. Example, the teacher told us the earth moves around the sun, around the sun. See, the teacher told us the earth moves around the sun. It is a universal fact. Is it? Earth revolves or earth moves around the sun, it is a universal fact. So whenever you get it means universal fact or proverb in direct speech, it is not going to change. It means we have to write the same. Okay. Now let us write in indirect speech. The teacher told us that same. The teacher told us that. After that, you write down the same. The earth moves around the sun. Okay. So the teacher told us the earth moves around the sun. Now what is indirect speech? The teacher told us that the earth moves around the sun. Same. Now next example, the poster. The poster reads, prevention is better than cure. Better than cure. Now you see, the poster read, what is given in the poster? The poster read, prevention is better than cure. Okay, prevention is better than cure. Now, what is the indirect speech for this one? Prevention is better than cure, it is a proverb. Okay, now we have to write the same. The poster read that prevention is better than cure. Same. The poster read that prevention is better than cure. Now, let me give an example that what I prepare for you. Now, past continuous. Just I am giving some examples. So we'll solve some few examples that what I have prepared and also from your grammar book. Now past continuous. Let me give an example for past continuous. Rani said the girls were playing in the garden. Okay, now you see, Rani said the girls were playing in the garden. It is the actual word of Rani, so it is direct speech and it is enclosed in inverted commas. Is it clear? Now let us change in indirect speech. Now first of all, you say it contains past continuous. How we are going to change in indirect speech? What is the answer? What is the answer for this one? Rani said that the girls were playing in the garden. It means were playing past continuous. How we are going to change? Past perfect continuous. Now write down. Rani said that. Rani said that. Rani said that the girls. The girls had been. The girls had been playing. The girls had been playing in the garden. In the garden. Is it clear? So let me take one more example from your book. Okay. Same example from your book. Mohana said. Mohana said. Rohan was playing. Rohan was playing with his friends after school. Now you see, this is past continuous. Rohan was playing with his friends after school. Was playing, past continuous. Now we have to change in past perfect continuous. Okay, past continuous, past perfect continuous. Now Mohana said that. Write down. Mohana said after that in indirect speech. Mohana said that Rohan was means Rohan, past perfect continuous. Rohan had been playing. Rohan had been playing. Rohan had been playing with his friends after school. This is an example from your book. Now past perfect. Let me give an example for past perfect. Past perfect is going to change as past perfect. Okay. Raju said to Ramesh. Raju said to Ramesh. My brother had finished the work. You see this example. Raju said to Ramesh, my brother had finished the work. Had, it means past perfect. How we are going to change in indirect speech? Past perfect, past perfect. Okay. Now you see, said to is going to change as told. Okay. So Raju said to is going to change as told. Raju told Ramesh, my brother. Whose brother? His brother. Raju's brother. So Raju told Ramesh that his brother had finished the work. had finished the work. Okay. Now, next example. Past perfect continuous. Let me give you an example for past perfect continuous. Now we'll continue that past perfect continuous in the next class. Okay.